the same way that you do product rule. So one of them is U, one of them is V. Order is important, okay, according to the rule. So U is the top function, sine 4x. V is the bottom function, 3x plus 2. I say order is important because we've got a negative in our rule, and obviously negatives make a big difference. Find the derivative automatically. So the steps are the same. U, V, the derivative of sine 4x. Okay. That's 4x is the angle there. If you're deriving sine, you get cos. Do not change the angle. Look inside the bracket, the derivative of that. Okay. For this, 3x plus 2, the derivative is simply 3. So, U, V, and then basically substitute into the rule. Well, the rule is U dash V minus U V dash over V squared. So the derivative of the top, 4 cos 4x times the original function, 3x plus 2. So it's those two together, minus those two. Over the bottom line squared, 3x plus 2. Cos, sine, nothing really common, pretty ugly looking thing, bad luck. 4, 3x plus 2 cos 4x. I'm just rewriting. Normally you put your constant first, then any sort of polynomial type thing, and any trig function, minus 3 sine 4x, put the constant to the front, divided by 3x plus 2. Checking off on that. And never cancel. Never cancel. Don't look at this and this and go, yeah, take that out, take that out. Can't cancel unless it's the whole V. So it has to be, you cancel like a V. One of these guys, one of these guys. Never just singular cancel. That one's okay. So if we tackle the second one, similar setup. Now, U equals, in this case, cos x4. Remember we spoke the other day about the difference between cos 4x or cos cubed x, cos squared x, and cos x squared, x cubed, etc. This is the angle only that's being to the power of 4, not the function. So U equals, V equals, straight, U is top, V is bottom, U dash, V dash. Okay. Now, the derivative of cos x4. It's just cos guy. The derivative of something cos is negative sine of whatever it is. Right? You're doing like a chain rule, dodge. You just block it out in your head. I'm deriving cos, I get negative sine. But I had somebody inside my bracket that was x4, derive x4 for x cubed. Okay? Again, it's that outside, inside type mentality. Change the word, derive the angle. This one, 2x cubed, beautiful, 6x squared, easy stuff. No, polynomials. So, dy dx equals zigzag. This u dash times v, so we're going to multiply those two together. So it's that way first. Negative sine x4 times 4x cubed times 2x cubed. So that's just the derivative u dash. That's the v, them together, minus the other way, cos x4, 6x squared, over the bottom line, which was 2x cubed squared. So I'm emphasising it there so that you don't mess up your maths going through. Simplify. You've got 4x cubed and 2x cubed, so that's 8x power 6. You've got a negative. You've got a sine x4. Multiply those two together, left the negative, left the sine, minus 6x squared cos x4 divided by 2x cubed squared becomes 4x6. Right, remember with indices, you're multiplying the two powers together, that's where the x6 is. You're doing not 2 times 2, it ends up being the same thing, but you're actually doing 2 squared. Just to be careful about that. If there's a 3 inside, it wouldn't have been 6, it would have been 9, right? So you're doing 2 squared. Now, we can simplify a little bit. Common factor, you got 4, 8 and 6, so I can take out a 2. I've got an x squared and an x6, so I can take out x squared. Yeah? Left with negative 4x4 sine x4.
So would you take out minus 2x squared or just...
Oh yeah, we'll take out a negative 1. Good. Let's do that. Tough. Take the negative out. Good call. Plus, left behind 3. The x squared's already out. Cos x to the power of 4. All of that's divided by 4x to the power of 6. Cancel time. 2 cancels with 4, leaves 2. X squared cancels with x6, leaves x4. Yeah? It's just division. 2, 6. So we're left with a negative, doesn't matter if you have it inside, it's outside the bracket, 4x to the power of 4, sine x to the power of 4, 3 cos x to the power of 4, divided by 2x to the power of 4.